How's it going, everyone? Welcome back to a brand new video today. I hope you're having an amazing day today. My name is Tom and today we are back in my summer car now. From the previous video I decided, you know what, we'll bring the car out and we're going to go to the shop. I said that in the previous video, so I was bringing the muscle car back, drove the car out so I could bring the muscle car into the garage and then park this here, because then I needed to go to bed because I was fatigued. So I thought, right, okay, we'll do that. I walked up to the garage to get the car out, walked over there, and as you just saw, there was no car in the garage and there's no car over here either, so it got stolen. My muscle car got stolen, so we have no muscle car anymore, which actually is quite a good thing because we didn't really have room on the drive or anything, but you know, jokes on the person that stole it because it had no fuel left in it, so oh well. So we're going to go to the shop, like I just mentioned, and stock up on food. Now, I know we also have a jerry can in the boot, so I think I'm going to fill that up whilst I'm there, but I'm going to try my hardest not to crash today. I'm going to take my time and try my hardest not to crash, because I cannot afford to crash this car, because, well, I can, I've got loads of money, but, you know, if I damage this car, you only get one car, so if I crash it, I'm fucked. So, prior to the fact that I was planning on going to the shops quite soon, actually, shall I tell you what? Yeah, that's much better. Prior to the fact I was going to the shops soon, I was planning on coming, I put my rally tyres on because I knew if I didn't, I would be sliding everywhere because that car had slicks on. So I'm guessing the guy that actually owned this game did that on purpose to try and catch some people out or something. That's quite funny because that's something that I do. But I completely forgot to even look. But in future, if a car's got slicks on, or if anybody watching this video, goes to get a save game, then please bear in mind you may want to check what tyres they've got on, because if you've got slicks like this did, you could be going down a tight bend, you know, because this is fairly straight to get to the shops, but you could get to this corner here and about to turn right, and you could end up just slamming straight into the side because they literally have no grip. That's the whole point of slicks. Now just look out for that guy that always comes flying down here. I've just stalled it again. There's a green car that always comes flying down here, and I was actually on my way to the shops the other day on my legitimate save, trying to get some food because I was like literally the hunger was on red bar in the hunger, I had no food. So I was trying to make my way to the shops and I came across this guy driving down the road. He drove, cut me off the road, and luckily the car, I was in the van, luckily the van survived, but then I was coming back and I was literally just a bit further up from here, I can't actually remember exactly, and I rolled the van because I was going too fast up the hill. I went too fast up the brow of the hill, I couldn't see over it, so then basically what happened was I lost control because there was a turn, tried to turn, hit a bump, rolled it over about 3 times and then landed on its side, and then I was hitchhiking. And then that green car came past and I hitchhiked and he took me all the way up here, all the way up onto this like abandoned quarry sort of thing, that's what it looked like anyway, and he just drove around in circles. I really didn't, I've been stuck down this gap before, oh god, not again. I was literally just saying I've been stuck down this gap before. This is a pain in the arse getting stuck down here. I've done it. Hang on a sec, that just got awfully loud. Yeah, the back boxes just fell off. I knew that was going to happen. Right, we'll put that in boot for now. If it gets to a point where I've not got enough food to survive, to even get to the shops, I'm going to have to go back. I should have probably brought some with me. The doors just fell off. Oh no, you've got to be kidding me. I just heard something else fall off as well. Guessing it was something. I don't know, but that did not sound good. We can do it though. Come on. Yes! Right, I don't know what... Oh shit. I don't know what tools I've got. It's probably not the right one to get this door back on. I may just slot it back on rather than keep it. Why are the wipers on? Rather than like keeping it on, I may just like slot it on so it can stay on for time being. So I won't open it or anything. I'll go out of the passenger door. But the back box needs to go back on because that's as loud as anything. What just happened? You've got to be kidding me. What's just happened? No. No. What's just happened? It sounded like the... So I just heard a bang. Oh god. I hope it's not my engine. Can't see anything. We've got fuel. We've got pressure. We've got no engine oil. Shit. Have we got any in the car? We could probably walk back from here, but I can go and fetch the van and come pick this up, but oh, for fuck's sake. The first day you take the car out and it breaks down. Come on. It's got no engine oil, so it's not going to start. No chance. It's clearly got power. It's just got no oil in it. What could we take to bits with this? Oh god, I'm guessing it's got no oil in it. Hang on, have we got dipstick? Where's dipstick? Can we check it? I don't know what dipstick is. I can't see it. It'd be in front if anywhere. I cannot see it anywhere. Right, can we just... We'll just undo that. There's literally... well... Can't see fuck all in there. Right. Why is there a piston? Hang on. Engine's blown up. Oh, that's a piston. Are you taking the piss? You've got to be joking me. I didn't even know it. I wonder what it were. Right, can we... It'll be on this side, won't it? I can't see inside the engine to actually like... Right, so crankshaft's there. No, it's gotta be that, because that's fucked it. Brilliant. So the car's gonna stay out here for a bit. I'll put door back on temporarily, but it's gonna have to stay out here. No chance. It's never gonna run. Not gonna run at that. No chance at all. I actually said in the last video it'd be quite fun to see engine blow up, but now it's happened. Oh shit, why won't door go back on either? I'll put it there for now. It's gonna have to stay there. I can't do anything about it whatsoever. I'm gonna have to come back out with the van, but luckily we're not actually that far away. Fortunately, we could be a lot further, but that is fucking annoying. And we're gonna have to take the entire engine out if we get back in time before I die, which I think I should. But hang on, what's he doing down there? Hey up, mate. Actually, can I? No, I can't rob out off his car, can I? Are these my tracks then? Yeah, that's where engines. Hang on. It's top of piston down here then. Is that it? Yeah, that's top of piston there. That's top of. It isn't all. Oh, two pistons have blown. Is that what? And that's fucking mount there. Shit. Right, I'm gonna leave them at a power edge at road. When we come to rebuild engine, we can put it all back together, because that is ridiculous. I can't believe that's happened. It's just blown. Well, how's he ended up down there? I didn't even see them tracks. Can't believe that. But I knew I was actually going to bring the muscle car as well, because it was low on fuel. So I thought, oh yeah, we'll bring the muscle car because it needs refueling. So I thought, yeah, let's bring that. I was just about to bring it out, and fucking car got nicked. I cannot believe that whatsoever. But rather than boring you guys to go all the way back home, I'm going to leave it there for this one. Hopefully in the next video I'll either have the engine rebuilded and the muscle car back, or I'll have the car back at the or we'll be coming to fetch the car with God knows what with. I can't think what with, because I'm guessing we'll fetch it with the van and just tow it back, but God knows. I can't think how we're going to fetch it. We'll have to tow it, won't we? Because it won't go on tractor trailer. So, oh well. Anyway, guys, I hope you've enjoyed this video. If you enjoyed it, you'd like to go and drop a like down below. That would be amazing. If you'd also like to go and subscribe if you're not already, that would be awesome too. And if you'd also like to go and comment some feedback down below, down in the comment section below, what you thought about this video, that would be much appreciated. So anyway, guys, my name's been Tom, and I'll catch you all in the next one.